Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Savvy Hub, and I am here with my another video. My this video is about some mixed type of heels, like high heels, platform heel, block heel, and many more design that looks very nice and very beautiful. And as you see, this combination looks really nice in a black color, a very beautiful shine on the top that looks very nice and amazing. This heel also looks really nice in a black color and beautiful kind of square shaped heel. And as you see, this combination also looks really nice in a silver and a pink color. That looks very beautiful and very pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful heel in a red color, a very shiny kind of color and very nice. Watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful and pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful heel in a black color. The color looks really nice and amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful heel in a very beautiful pink color, a shine kind of thing that looks very beautiful. And this is a very nice, like a decent kind of print that looks very beautiful and it looks very nice. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful heel in with the rhinestones that looks very beautiful and very different. And as you see, this one is also a very different kind of design, like it's a very unique kind of heel with the transparent heel that looks very nice and amazing. And this shiny slipper kind of heel looks really nice. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye, take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.